In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation at work, school, or just want to get creative with your digital projects, PowerPoint is a powerful tool to bring your ideas to life. But first you need to access it, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to office.com. This is the gateway to accessing not just PowerPoint, but all of Microsoft's Office applications online. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or even using a tablet, opening your web browser and typing in office.com will take you right where you need to be. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now, if you're new to Microsoft products, your Microsoft account is essentially your key to unlocking all of Microsoft's services, including Outlook, OneDrive, Word, and of course PowerPoint. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one on the same page. Just click on Create One and follow the prompts. It's a straightforward process that just requires an email and a couple of minutes of your time. After you've clicked on the Sign In option, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft email account. This could be any email that you've registered with Microsoft, so go ahead and type that in. Email addresses can sometimes be forgotten, especially if we have multiple ones, so make sure it's the email associated with your Microsoft account. Once you have entered your email, you'll be asked to input your password. Remember, password security is crucial, so hopefully you've chosen something that's both secure and memorable. In case you forget your password, there's always a password reset option, but let's save time and assume you've remembered it right off the bat. The next step occasionally throws people off, but is an essential part of keeping your account secure. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be asked to enter an authentication code. This extra step might seem like a hassle, but it's there for your protection, ensuring that only you have access to your account. You'll receive this code either via a text message, a phone call, or through an authenticator app, depending on your setup preferences. Once you receive the code, type it into the designated field to verify your identity. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, accessing PowerPoint. After you've successfully logged in and navigated through the security steps, you'll find yourself on the office.com homepage. Here you have access to all the available Office applications. Locate the PowerPoint icon and click on it. You're now ready to start creating your presentation. PowerPoint Online provides many of the same features as the desktop version. You can choose from a variety of templates, add text and images, and even include animations and transitions to bring your slides to life. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned users to create professional-looking presentations. And just like that, you're in. You've accessed PowerPoint and are on your way to creating presentations that can captivate, educate, and inform your audience. Remember, the key to a great PowerPoint presentation isn't just the tool itself, but how creatively you use it to express your ideas. If you follow these simple steps, accessing PowerPoint Online is a breeze. The process is user-friendly, and Microsoft's security measures ensure that your work and personal information remain protected. So what are you waiting for? Head over to office.com and bring your presentations to life with PowerPoint. Whether you're working on an annual report, a school project, or just want to share some interesting facts with friends and family, PowerPoint is your canvas to visually communicate your ideas. And that's how you get PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident in starting your PowerPoint journey. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. The more you use PowerPoint, the more skilled you'll become in leveraging its features to make your presentations stand out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials to help you navigate the digital world with ease.